Bakithi ake siyikhulumeni lento it is different. Ngiyacela ukuthi ngikuvume lento le. I-channel yethu ufuna siyisebenza kahle not to manipulate other people. But we have to teach you some things that you were not exposed to zona but okuzona. I repeat, sikufundisa izinto ongekho exposed kuzona kodwa we are already kuzona. There is something that we call latent pain. Latent pain. You've been suffering from this pain for past 22 years old. Past 22 years. Wathola umsebenzi kade usebenza kaSwidi. kaSwidi bususebenze 8 years. Wazothola umsebenzi la emaphoyiseni. Emaphoyiseni ususebenze 22 years plus 8 years, 30 years. Lesifo usuke naso wosasebenza kaSwidi. Manje ususemaphoyiseni and lesifo sakubamba. It's a latent pain. It is a pain that you bury, you learn to tolerate it. Uzosebenza emsebenzini, you carry this pain. Uyasebenza into isebenzela ukukhuphula i-credit score so that uzongena kobunye ubuhlungu. I repeat, into isebenzelayo is to increase your credit score so that you venture into another pain. Once yakhuphula i-credit score yakho, then you go for a bigger house. You sell this house, ingane eziningi, you buy a 3-bedroom house instead of a 1.5 bedroom lohlala kuyona. You buy a bigger house and then your credits are enlarging. You are in a pain that ayikho into ezoqeda le pain ngoba le pain yenza ukuthi ukwazi ukukhokhela lo muzi lo. Imoto ohamba ngayo estate. Ingubo ozigqokayo estate. Icathulo ozigqokayo estate. You got nothing to wear on your own. Amabhuluka khona awu2, namashirt awu3, nama-golf shirt awu2, nama-round neck awu5. Izona nto nazo lezo ebiza igama lakho. That pain uzohamba nayo for a long time. There is a pain that is caused by your academic studies. You have started teaching and you worked ka-Woolworths for 5 years. Now usuthola umsebenzi wa teaching. Le suppression yaka-Woolworths akade ukuyona usebenza wenza umsebenzi ukusebenza e-supermarket or e-store, whatever you call it. Thereafter now usuwenza i-teaching. I-teaching ikufixe kwinto limited growth beside your credits that are growing. Ayikho into wena onayo ekhulayo njengoba ususebenza as a teacher beside izikweleti ezikhulayo. That pain we call it latent pain. What do you call it?